About 3.3 million pioneers who were stuck on Pi KYC tentative approval has now gotten their KYCs approved. And this was made possible because of a new KYC system Pi Network recently integrated. This system is what we are going to be discussing in today's video, and it's going to be useful to you, especially if as at now you're still on tentative approval, you've not gotten a KYC slot, or your coins has not still even been migrated into your wallet. We are going to be addressing all of that in today's video so that you know what to do to position properly. Before we proceed, my OGs in the house, make sure to like this video, drop a heart in the comment section. Once I see a heart, I know you're my OG. And for those of you that are just coming to this channel for the first time, make sure that you are subscribed. And I'm going to advise, turn on that bell icon below your screen so that you turn on the notifications. Because sometimes, even if you're subscribed, you might not see videos from us if you don't turn it on. Instead of relying on the manual method, Pi Network has now found a way to automatically approve people's KYC, most especially people that have been stuck on tentative approval for months now. About 4.67 million users were stuck on tentative approval, but as at now, 3.3 million people has now been approved, and this is because these people were the eligible users. This is a big progress because if you've been mining Pi for a very long time now, you realize how difficult it is for you to get KYC. Not to talk of now submitting your KYC and now being stuck on tentative approval. It's extremely difficult. Their verification method is extremely slow. They have to go through a lot of processes before they finally verify people. So I think this new method that they just integrated, this automatic method, it's very good, and yeah, it's a good development. So what exactly did they do and why are they doing this? What you need to know is that the reason why Pi Network KYC has been slow so far is because Pi Network is trying to make sure that only real users get KYC'd. They want to make sure that nobody cheats the system, and they want to make sure that everybody has just one account. Personally, I remember opening about 3 different Pi accounts. So if not for this, their KYC methods and all of these checks that they put in place, those 3 of my accounts would have been successfully verified and I would have cashed out from it. But fortunately and unfortunately, I was only able to verify one, and this is because of their KYC method. And they have now integrated a new system that uses AI. So this time around, instead of them to rely on the manual method that takes time, they have now made it in such a way that they'll be able to approve a lot of KYCs per day. And this new method can help Pi Network to process more than 300,000 KYCs just in a day. And this does not end there alone, because it will be of no use if your KYC is approved, but your coins is still not migrated into your wallet, which is what a lot of users struggle with. So this new method that they integrated will also help them to migrate people's coin faster. And to test this, out of the 3.3 million people that their KYCs were recently approved, about 2.69 million of them, their coins have successfully been migrated into their wallet. If you're one of these people that recently got approved and your coins have migrated into your wallet, drop a congratulations in the comment section. Congratulate yourself so that we can know that, okay, you are part of these people. Aside from all of these congratulations, there are still a lot of people that are still stuck on tentative approval. Some have not even gotten KYC, and some, their coins have still not been migrated into their wallets. So what exactly is happening? According to what Pi Network has to say, they say that they need help from the user for them to be able to verify these people's KYC. And these are people that they did not submit their documents properly, or they did not pass liveness check. So this is what is going to happen. You need to stay active. Keep mining Pi actively. Make sure that you don't miss a day. Always keep mining. Then anytime there is a notification, a pop-up that you need to do a liveness check, make sure that you are in a clearly lit environment so that the camera can detect your face properly, and when you send it, their AI will be able to detect it. If you have not gotten KYC, this might be what is stopping you. So make sure that you do your liveness check properly. Make sure that you are signing into your app every day. Once you are doing all of this, if you've not gotten a KYC, you'll get a slot. And if you've gotten a slot already, make sure that you submit your correct documents. Submit your government approved ID. For those of you that are Nigerians, what you need to know is that Pi Network is not accepting your NIN slip. If you use an NIN slip, your KYC will be rejected, or you might be stuck on tentative approval for years. So what you need to use is the premium NIN slip. Premium NIN slip. That premium, you'll get it in form of a card. I already made a video on how you can get this. If you're watching this video right now, I'm going to pin that video at the top of this video. So check up, you see a link there where you can follow the step-by-step guide to get your own plastic ID card that you can now use to verify your Pi Network. If you are sure that you've met up with all of these things successfully, you submitted your right documents, you've done the liveness checking, you're always checking in every day, What you need to know is that congratulations to you first of all, because you are soon going to be approved. So that is the basic information from Pi Network as of now. But aside from being stuck on tentative approval, not getting a KYC slot, or your coins not being migrated, there are a whole lot of other issues that pioneers are facing on a daily basis, which might not be highlighted in this video, but I'm still going to be making videos addressing all of those one by one. So if you're watching this video and you have any issue that I have not addressed in this video, make sure to drop them in the comment section. When I go through it, I'll now be able to make a video tailored to what you request for, so that you know how to solve your problem. Just in case if you're participating in other airdrops that is not even Pi Network at all, and you have any issues with these airdrops or the likes, or you have any airdrop that you want us to talk about, you can suggest them in the comment section of this video. I'm going to be going through them so that I can make videos as regarding to them. If you want to stay in touch for our updates, maybe you want to be getting where you can get constant airdrop updates, constant earning updates, or maybe Web3 education, you can consider joining my Telegram channel. My old channel was about 7.7k. It was banned by Telegram recently. I don't know why. We are still on the table of discussion to see how we can recover it. But in the meantime, I've already created a backup channel that we are currently dropping updates back to back. So you can check the description box of this video to join that channel. And you can also follow me on X. I do even drop most of my updates there even before I make videos on them. And that is basically it for today's video. I'm going to see you in the next video. Don't forget to be subscribed and turn on the bell icon to get notifications.